get in the first place?
My life right now, I'm scared. Alright everyone, so I just finished helping Elsie load up the milk cows, and we're getting ready to load up the girls' 4-H calves that they're going to be showing at the fair. Anyway, she's taking them into the vet clinic and they are going to be trimming their hooves.
They know where they're going. Come on, ladies! Yep, follow Mom. Turn around, follow Mom. Follow Mom. Good job.
Here. I actually just got in grooming dogs for the day. I had a really full day today grooming dogs. wheat season, wheat harvest season. So Dad has been combining, and he tried to combine yesterday or the day before. I lose track. At some point this week he tried, but it was still a little too wet. The moisture was too high. Anyway, so he tried today and it's good to go. So Sadie is combining and Dad is behind her baling. So anyways, I'm gonna hopefully get some drone footage and some footage on the ground.
Combine and weed again. This is Dad coming in the combine. I just love to listen to it. You like see it? It's like the waves of Kansas.
Alright everyone, so wheat harvest is still going on, and there's a lot going on in this field. So Sadie's doing combine again. Dad is baling. Elsie is hauling the bales, lining them up, hauling them with a semi, and then Dad just called one of our neighbors to come help us haul and line up bales and all that good stuff. So anyways, I have been at home working, and I came down here to get some, well, I brought down more net wrap, and I came down here to get some shots. So I got some drone shots, and I got up really high so you could like see the whole farm, because like the combine and the baler are on the opposite ends of the field. So I got up high enough so you can see them both, but it's almost, you can like hardly tell what it is since it's so high. So anyways, just fair warning, so when you guys see the videos, I was just trying to get, you know, all the action in one shot. So anyways, now I'm gonna try and get some on the ground footage.
Stacking. What did you just do, Emmie?
Stacking the bales up here and I couldn't get it and it fell over and it's down in the hole. Yeah, but we can't start laughing in the middle of it because otherwise it'll be over. And I'm gonna land head first down the bottom.
Video.
Well, I can't get it in the first place. This is so dumb, and now you have me laughing and I can't even budget. This is slick, yeah?
Okay, well you have to keep going because I'm holding you. So you just keep going until you're out.
So like I might not treadmill on this.
Yes!
I was full on holding you, so I don't know what your problem was.
Then what am I supposed to
You
do?
have to quit laughing and keep going, okay?
On my life right now, I'm scared.
We heard that Emmie stuck in the building.
That's how she got out.
It's like a fish in a bucket.
What were you doing?
You two are in your pajamas?
We were sleeping in the tent. We couldn't sleep. I thought you guys were like. I thought you guys were like.
All right, everyone. So I'm gonna do some explaining here. We're really excited. If you'll remember, this past winter, one of our sows had piglets, and that was a whole ordeal. They were actually born while we were in Phoenix, and then the barn caught on fire, burnt down, and only 3 piglets survived. Anyway, so we got her bred back. 4 months ago, we got her bred back. Anyway, she just had piglets today. They are so stinking cute. So it's our first time having a litter in this new hog barn. It's working out perfect. Anyways, I'm gonna get some videos and stuff of them because they're so cute. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the baby piglets and wheat harvest, everything that went on the past 2 weeks. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna end the video here, and thank you all so much for watching and following along on all of our farming adventures, and we'll see you next week.